This is my Solenoid Plus Sound Board, which plugs into the Bally and Stern solenoid boards of early solid-state pinball machines. I've got a customer, Mark, that put this in his Evel Knievel, which is a chime machine. He turned off the chimes and is using my board to produce all the sounds. Let's take a listen.
This is Evel Knievel, and if I ever see you, you motherfucker, I'll rip your fucking head off. If I ever see you, you motherfucker,